बोल नहीं सकता कि हमें हिजाब पहने या ना पहने। वो हमारा राइट है कि हम हिजाब पहनेंगे या नहीं पहनेंगे। हमें कोई ऐसा सख्ती नहीं करेगा कि हिजाब मत पहनो।
If I want to wear, I can wear it any day. No one is judging me if I'm wearing it one day or not wearing it.
We have freedom of wearing anything we have to, and we can wear if we have to wear hijab or something, we can wear, its freedom.
I feel that this is the choice of the students. Let them decide what dress they want to wear.
कोई कोई ऐसे बोल रहे हैं कि मुस्लिम गर्ल्स है जिन पे मतलब प्रेशराइज़ करके घर वाले या फिर कोई भी उनको बोलते हैं कि पहनो, लेकिन देखा जाए तो ये किसी को मतलब प्रेशराइज़ नहीं करते लोग।
If the organization is insisting you to not come in a hijab, why they are going there like that?
Agitations are going on in support of hijab as well as those who are opposing hijab at educational institutes. Now, as of now, I am in Pune at Azam campus. With us we have the faculty members as well as some of the students. Let's talk to them what is their say about hijab and the way things are going on in the society. Yeah, ma'am, your name and what would you say?
I am Abeda Inamdar. I am Vice President of Maharashtra Cosmopolitan Education Society.
As of now, the agitations that are going on, that hijab shouldn't be made compulsory. And there are those who are saying that hijab should be made compulsory. What is your say?
It's a constitutional right and also fundamental right of each student to make a choice whether to have hijab or not, and that should be given to the students and to the parents, and let them take education. Dress code is a very, very minor issue, and I think we should not discuss on that.
What do students have to say? Your name and you are over here in civil dress, like in jeans and as well as top. What is your say?
It's not compulsory we should wear hijab. It's our choice.
And miss, what do your parents say?
Our parents say nothing. If we have to wear, we can wear.
So do you ever wear hijab and come to the educational institute, or normally you are dressed in a civil suit?
No, sometimes I wear hijab, sometimes I wear civil dress.
What is your say? You are wearing a hijab, so is it out of compulsion?
नो कंपलसरी तो नहीं है, ऐसे पहन सकते हैं।
तो घर के लोग क्या कहते हैं?
घर के लोग बोलते हैं क्या आपको जैसा रहना है वैसा रह सकते हैं, ऐसा आप पर जोर नहीं है, आप बुर्का ही पहनो, पर्दे में ही जाओ, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है।
So you have heard the students are saying that there is freedom over here and there is no compulsion about any dress code. Ma'am, you said that you are a faculty member over here.
यहाँ पर हम लास्ट 20 ईयर से जॉब कर रहे हैं, लेकिन ऐसा सच कोई रूल नहीं है कैंपस में कि आप हिजाब पहने या ना पहने। यह हमारा पर्सनल इशू है, या हमारे घर वाले और हम क्या चाहते हैं यह हम पर डिपेंड है, हम पहने या ना पहने। कभी ऑफिशियली हमको कोई चीज़ के लिए प्रेशराइज नहीं किया गया।
Ma'am, what would you say? Like, as of now, you are over here and you are heading this institute. So you said that you have not made hijab compulsory over here, but the way things are going on, and some of the people are in support of hijab, others are against hijab. What is your say?
I feel that this is the choice of the students. Let them decide what dress they want to wear, but they should take education. All girls, they should take education, and that should be the focus and not the hijab.
So here you have heard from Azam campus over here that hijab or any dress code is not compulsory over here. The importance that this institute gives is for the education, and students over here as well as faculty members, as you see, are given the freedom of choice whether they wish to wear a hijab. They can. If they want to come in a civil dress, here you can see the vice president herself is in civil dress over here. So what do the supporters of Hindu Mahasangh, workers of Hindu Mahasangh have to say? You have seen that a procession was carried out from Kasba Ganpati to Shaniwar Wada, and here you have seen the women supporters, the women workers of Hindu Mahasangh. They are together in a particular dress code. What is their message? Let's talk to them. Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, they are saying that pehle hijab or baad mein kitab, like that they are saying. I think this is wrong. We are going in modern era, and we should change. You know, these girls are going abroad for their education, for job. So they should have some broader views. Even parents are also educated, and they should protest against this. They should protest this tradition of hijab. If the organization is insisting you to not come in a hijab, why they are going there like that?
So you mean to say the parents are making it compulsory, or they are adamant?
पेरेंट गलत स्टैंड ले रहे हैं यहाँ पे। और जो आप आजम कैंपस का बोल रहे हैं, आजम कैंपस किसका है? तो उनके लिए यहाँ अलग सा रूल है ही नहीं है। जहाँ पे रूल्स है वहाँ पे रूल फॉलो करने चाहिए।
So they are giving freedom. आप वो freedom दे रहे
वही
हैं.
तो, लेकिन और देखो ये दो बातें हैं जहाँ पे मतलब इन्हीं औरतों को मॉडर्न रहना है, जीन्स पहनना है, तो वहाँ पे वो लोग आंदोलन कर रही है, और यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट एरिया में, स्टूडेंट कैटेगरी में क्यों हिजाब?
No, in fact, this is a controversy. You know what you are telling is controversy. They are not giving any they are not putting any restrictions on the women, and here women are insisting that we should put hijab.
So you mean to say the schools or education institutes who are making it compulsory, parents who are adamant that their
Yes.
kids should be allowed with religious dress code,
Yes.
that should be stopped.
And secondly, you know, if they don't want to go without hijab, go to your religious school. Very simple.
So you have heard message from Hindu Mahasangh supporters that they are opposing the stand of parents who are adamant that their kids should be allowed with religious dress code in educational institutes. With cameraman Gopal Harne, this is Pankaj Khelkar in Pune for India Today.